We are now on the dashboard of Paper Clues, which will give you real-time information in a graphical manner. Here we can see the total number of employees, the total number of projects, and the total number of predicted teams. There is a list of vacant employees of those who have not been assigned to any team yet. We can see the project status in the form of a pie chart, and also a list of new projects with the project name and the start date. Below, we have a graph which shows the average project success rates for all of the projects. This system also supports localization. Once you click on the Sinhala button, it will show the same information in the Sinhalese language. If you want to view more detailed information, you can do so using the Analytics tool. Through this, you can see graphs such as the technology distribution, the employees versus gender, and the employees versus role. These graphs are shown against all projects, or you may view the information of one project by clicking on the project drop-down and selecting the particular project from the list. Once selected, it will load the graphs for that particular project only. The Team Builder function used to the provision of composing your team and letting the system decide which members are most eligible. The first step is choosing a project, which you can do by selecting from a list of projects already available, or you can create new projects by clicking on the Add New Project button. Through this form, you can specify the project name, the project type, and the project duration. You may also enter a description. Once a project is selected, it will display the project details below: the type of project, the start and the estimated end dates, and also a description if entered. The second step is where you enter the job roles and technologies applicable for this particular role. You can select from a list of job roles already defined, and you can specify the number of members you need per each role. In this case, we have added 1 project manager, 3 software engineers, 1 team lead, and 3 developers. You can enter technologies by typing in on the technologies box and selecting from the drop-down. You may add multiple technologies per team. The next step is the team selection criteria, in which you can select from a list of attributes which should be taken into account in the team composition. The fourth and final step will list down a set of algorithms along with accuracy percentages, and you can select a preferred algorithm and click on the Predict button to start predicting your team. The system will now start predicting your team, and you can see the results. Here we have the list of employees predicted for this team based on the settings we have entered earlier. You may click on any employee to view more details regarding that particular employee. You can see the employee's basic details along with the employee's skill sets and the projects the employee has worked on along with the success rates. You have now successfully built your team. Now let's take a look at the settings available. Under General Settings, you can select the type of industry, and you can specify the minimum team size used for team generation. In roles, you can see a list of roles available in the organization, along with the number of employees who are under each role. In the Technologies page, you can see the list of technologies that are required by the organization. The Projects page will give you a list of projects, both new and ongoing. You can view the team that was predicted for each project by clicking on the View Team button next to it. This will give you the list of employees that was predicted for the particular project. The Human Resources page will give you the list of all the employees in the organization. You can click on any employee to view more details regarding that employee.